Changing and maintaining the weld caps. Your i5S includes a set of pliers for cap removal. The outermost and largest ring is used for 5RW cap removal. The inner and smallest ring is used for 4RW cap removal. From the home screen, press either the auto, semi-auto, or manual tabs at the top of the screen. Select the water pump button on the right side of the screen. Select Turn Off on the right side of the screen. Once you have placed the caps on the shank, lightly tap the cap into place with vice grips. Be sure to tap the cap lightly enough so not to damage it and to ensure that it fits securely. Before welding, you must turn the water pump back on. To do so, press the Turn On button on the right side of the control screen.